Color Swatches Shopify tutorial, how to add color swatches on your Shopify product page. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you guys how you can add different color swatches on your Shopify product pages. So if you have a product that has multiple different variants in terms of color, you can easily display them upon the color screen. So to get started, first off, we are going to add our product with different color variations. So for that, I'm just going to go into add product and we are going to name our product. Then we are going to add a description. I am using Shopify's AI to add a description for me simply by clicking on the sparkly icon. I am just going to provide some key information. And once I provide key information, it will generate my description for me. So once we do that, we are going to add our media files. So I am going to insert the media files. And one thing to remember whenever you are adding multiple different variants and you are looking to display product colors in those variants, make sure to add the variant images in your variants as well, because if you only add them in the media section, then it becomes a little more difficult for you to insert different color options. So below that, you're going to enter the price, and you can also calculate your cost per item, as well as your profits and your margins. You can also track quantities, and I'm just going to add 1,000. Then you can add your shipping info, which is the weight of the product if it is a physical product, and then your variant. So this is the important part. Make sure to add your variants. Let's say for us, it's color, and for us, it's beige, and then the second color is green. Now I'll click on Done over here. Once you click on Done, you will see your two variants will appear on the bottom. Now I will make sure to add quantities, so the stock for both of them. Then you're going to select a variant image. So simply upload your image. So for the beige one, I will be using this image. And then for the green one, I will be using this image. And make sure to add these images here to make it easier for you to later on select a color. Then click on Save over here. Now, once you have completed your product listing like so, it's time to actually customize with the coloring. And I'll show you guys the differences that it is going to make. So this is our current listing, and over here, it has the labels or the colors just listed, and we want this to actually display the color. So to do that, we're going to go into settings on the bottom left. Once you go into settings, go into apps and sales channels on the left. Open up your Shopify App Store from here. Now, in your Shopify App Store, we are going to search for Color Swatch, and there are a couple of different applications that enable you to add color swatches, but the one that I like to use is called Glow Color Swatch Variant Image. So simply click on this over here and click on Install. Once you click on Install over here, this is going to open up a new tab from where you're going to complete the installation of this particular app into your Shopify store. So we're just going to click on Install once more. And once this has been installed, you can pin it to your navigation from the left. Now, once you do that, we are going to use the free plan. You don't need to use the premium plan. And then we're going to continue as free and then click on continue as free once more on the bottom. Then after that, we are going to add this to our live theme and then click on go to theme editor. Once you click on go to theme editor, on the top left, your app is going to be displayed. Make sure it has been turned on and then just click on save. Once you do that, you are going to go back into your original tab and then you're going to get started with actually adding your color swatches. So for this, we have color, and in your color swatches, you're going to click on configure. Once you click on configure, you will see this is the product or the colors that were inserted, beige and green. You will see color 1 and then color 2. Now, a easy way to do this is to directly just find a color that is similar to your product like this. So as an example, I'll just do this. And then I can click on save. Now, once I click on save over here, I can click on the settings of my glow color swatch and then choose the way that I want to display my color swatches. You can also click on appearance product and choose how you want it to appear on your particular product. So in our product page, if I want this to be circular, square, or just to fit the text, let's say I want this to be circular, I want the swatch size to be a little larger. And then below that, we can also add a border. We can also choose the thickness of the border. So I want this to be a single border. Then you can add the swatch border color, and I'm just going to leave it as it is. You can also add hover effects and zoom. Then you can also choose to show the number of in-stock items and then content alignment. Once you do that, click on save. And then if you view your online store once more, you guys can see instead of displaying the particular names such as beige or green, it is actually displaying the color. But these colors are not accurate to the color of my product. So how can I make this accurate to the color of my product? For that, just click on the color picker online. Simply go on to imagecolorpicker.com. Then click on use your image, and then you're going to upload your images. So we are going to use our image, and then from here, just click on browse. And I'm just going to be uploading this image first. And then from here, I'm just going to hover my mouse over the bag, and I'll just try to select a color that is most accurate for my particular product, such as this one over here. So this is the hex code, and I'm just going to copy this hex code and then go back into my Shopify dashboard. Then click on settings over here, and once you click on settings, again, make sure you save everything, and then just go back into the Glow Color Swatch dashboard. Then click on configure on the color option, and then in your particular color, so for the beige one, click on this, and then you will see the hex code right under the color picker. Paste in your hex code over here, and this will add the correct hex code for your particular product. If you have multi-toned product where two primary colors are present, you can also add a secondary color. Then I am going to use our second product image, and I'm going to add the green one over here. And then from here, I am going to select the color, and I'm going to copy this code, go back into Shopify, click on color one, and then paste it in the hex code over here. Once I've pasted this in, you will see there is such a large difference between the shades that I picked on random versus the one that we used hex codes for. Once you do that, click on save on the top right. And once you click on save on the top right, you can click on view your online store. And then let's open up our tote bag over here, and you will see now the colors that are displayed over here are very accurate to our actual product colors. Now, for further customization of your color swatches, simply go back into your dashboard and then click on Appearance Product under your Glow color swatch. Then you also have button options, drop-down options, but for our color swatches, we can even make them square or fitting the text. I prefer them in a circular size. Then you can also set up your swatch spacing, and then you can also, further customize general appearances. And just like that, you have some nice color swatches for your product pages on Shopify. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.